Okay, welcome to part 2, where this so far we've got done, along with a couple of other pieces over there. This probably will be the culmination, mostly the finishing of the kit. Right, so I did make a few mistakes in the previous video with the building process, but I managed to remedy it all very quickly, which is good. And I'm just catching up because I missed a section, which is not good at all. We need F. F again. Is this F? Yes, there is. And there's another one of these for the top as well, which is kind of cool. So that's really good that they included that. Let's get that off. A lot of sprue pieces. All the lumps. Right, that goes on this way. Nutshell sandwich. That's how it fits on here. There we go. Right, now for the back part. This is the part I'm kind of looking forward to put this beauty on. So what we need to do. Bless you! That's my mum just sneezing up there. Right, next what we need is this piece where we need to have. Right, it needs to be this way up. Now we need our gaiters. You can, I believe, use these as well. I think these are going to be used. I'm not too sure. You see, I can't read Japanese writing, but I'm going to choose to use this one because this just looks better in my opinion. I would use these, but I want to use the others. So there is an optional step here. So you can pretty much do whatever you want. Right, but I want to use this one. Right, let's see. That's already been done. These parts. We need 14. 14 goes in the middle. But first of all, how would it look if it was attached onto this? Just curious. This is my own curiosity here. So that's how it would look. You barely really see anything. But if you pull that off, you know. But with this, if I attach it here, you do get a bit of blue there. So that's pretty cool. We need 10. So I'm definitely going to use the clear piece. I think the clear piece will look better. And that's going to go there. You can see nicely lining up. I'll show you what it looks like in the light. You probably can't see it too well, but the light shines through it. So that's pretty cool. Right, here is the other part. Why is there two 14 pieces? Well, this is weird. F10. I need 2. Okay, this is kind of strange. I have 2 of the same sprue here. That's interesting. Well, maybe there's a reason for it. And we're going to take this piece off because it does say to use another one of these. And I shouldn't put my parts into my Falcon. And it says to clip this bad boy into place. There we go. So now we got that, and you can see the blue there. It turns up very nicely on camera, which is kind of cool. Right, so that's the optional part done. And then the parts to go on the ruddy side. Yay! More of those stupid thin parts. Ugh, I can't ever get enough of them. I forgot to part. I'm a buffoon. I am forgetting things because I'm not concentrating properly. Okay, so how does this go on? Because most of it is busted. There we go. Always make sure you even though your pieces may be busted, they still may fit, so. This piece may have hope of fitting on yet, even though it is knackered. Just gotta figure out where it fits. There's a fly in the room, brilliant. Oh, forget it, it's just gonna fall around the place. Right, so now we need the parts to go on the back, which are 41 and 42. Why am I speaking in a weird voice? I don't know. Okay, so this is 41, and that will go this way, and it will fit right there. I know you probably can't see this, which sucks, but if you buy the kit, you will completely understand. So that part right there. So what I'm saying, we'll do the other side. Gotta cut another one of these out. Yay. Oh, okay. This was semi-detached from the screw already, so that made it really easy to remove. That was easy. Right, so the slots and there, and then the pegs. I'll just pop this piece off. I'll reattach this on in a minute, actually. It'll just make it a little easier. I was grabbing it by there. See, it's not broken or anything. It's just detached itself. Although when I do spray this, I'm going to put some masking tape on the blue piece because I do not want that getting sprayed. I really don't want that to lose its colour. Right, next piece. This is completely optional if you have the batteries. But if you don't, right, let me show you. These are pieces for wires and stuff. So if you don't have those, so if you don't have lights, because there are parts to go here for lights, but we'll just put those in anyway. So F7. And, oh, that was a bit of a toughie to pull out. Again, these are for LEDs, these parts. I may purchase some LEDs for it, but you need a special pack, unfortunately. Unless I can read Japanese, I ain't going to be able to get that. Unless I try to use Google Translator. I may do that, actually. Use Google Translator. And that's going to be difficult. Deciphering Japanese. Yay. I like the Japanese, don't get me wrong. Sometimes these things are just a pain in the ass. More stuff for wiring. This is why it comes with 2 sheets of F7. Presumably for more parts. And there is a part that goes upwards, but it would be nice if it was F1 and F2, but oh well. It's not the end of the world. Right, that goes in there. So there's one just up that ramp. That'll be kind of cool, actually. And then you repeat the same with the seats. No wonder why it comes with 2. Right, that goes through there. Lights go through there. And then what goes in the middle? I do wonder. Piece that goes in the middle? Maybe? I'm not sure. Unless these go there. Yeah, I'll put these all there. Maybe order a set of LEDs from Japan for this. Fully complete it all. And then just have a little light feature where I flick it on just like the actual Revel kit has. Oh, that's what it is now. I get you. Problem is, there's not enough F7s for it. Oh well. Right, let's see. Pop that to the side there and... Oh, no, we are not finished. We are nowhere near finished. We're not on the top piece yet. Right. And it also starts saying about putting decals on. We're not doing that just yet. No flaming chance. Right, so now we need F1s. Oh, yay. Look at all these bloody liners. Hooray! Stupidly small bits. Ugh, these things will be the death of me. Now, how do these buggers fit in? Do they fit in this way? No. They fit in the other way. Right, so they all go in like that one there. I'm going to cut here and put them all in and show you what the result is. Alright, so with all those applied, here we go. It's just the same process. Something I want to show that because it's bloody boring. Takes up every single one on one whole sprue. Unfortunately, we get 2 F sprues, so we can continue that. Right, let's see. Now what we need is to put more bits in. We need E1 and D2. D2. Right, we're going to start with D2, this big panel here, which is on very shallow clips, so it's battery removable. That just goes right there. See? These doesn't even fall out. This is amazing. You can even put landing gear here as well. I might do that and just have it on a stand. Or I might just have landing gear and the stand. How does that fit on? Oh, that's how it fits on. The stand fits on there. That's cool. Right. E1. Where is E1? That's F. That's A. E1. E1 is a seat looking like piece, which is not a seat. Looks like a seat, but it isn't one. And that goes right there. There we go. Again, I wish these were all moulded in, to be honest, because they are a pain in the arse to put on. And I wouldn't say it's worth the hassle. Back to F. Yay! Yes, I'm being sarcastic, because F is going to be a big pain in the arse with these little thin pieces. Oh, yay. Alright, 9. Fits. How the hell does it fit in? Oh, it fits in like that. That little thing right there. Good God. How? Why? Why is it so damn thin? It's so tiny. They look like they're going. They look like those pieces you'd expect to fall out every 5 seconds. But surprisingly, they don't. Well, this one does because it's got sprue on it. There we go. Oh, that actually fits in very securely. Wobbles a bit, but it's insecure. But I mean, it wobbles if you move it with your thumb like a moron. Like what I do. Make sure the angled part faces the outside and it goes in like that, as you can see. And the funny thing is, these are actually on the small one as well, although not on the other side, because this is tiny. What's that piece? Is that a cover for that? Nope. Oh, it's a cover for that. Interesting. Well, the guns aren't in yet, which is kind of confusing. I don't know why the guns aren't in. There are guns in, sorry, the guns are in the kit, but the instructions aren't telling us to put them on. For some strange reason. Right. That's that part done with. Have I knocked anything off because I just heard something clatter? No. Pop that to there with our completed parts. Now we move on to the top. Okie dokie. Repeat the same process. Come on, snap off. There we go. There we go. Ooh, bit of flashing there. sandpaper. There we go. Same process as before. We need the other F. Where is the other F? No, not F the swear word, F the piece. Here it is. And where? Eh? I'm a bit confused now. No, hold on. That can go. We don't need that anymore. Well, there you are. I've used parts and bits of both. You're right. So, this and the seat. Oh. So if you can't see this, we are just literally pushing that seat in. You have a clear piece. Click that on there, and that's, oh, forgetting a piece. Right, let's give it a sec. Where is that round piece? The round dish. We were supposed to have a second round dish to go onto the top. Where has that gone? Where are you? You stupid little piece. Come out now, or I'll ram a knife up your ass. Why am I saying that? I don't know. Just give me a second. Found it within the box. I think we need to keep that out now because we might need these. Alright, that goes in like that. Okay. And this piece goes in that way. There we go. It just said to put decals on. We're not doing that now. No flaming chance. No way. No way. Tip this upside down. E13. Where is E1? That's A. I think this is it. Yes, this is it. You have a flat piece to go in there. Fill that up. Give that some nice looking detail. E19, this piece right here, I'll just show you it. Goes right there. Now what we need is all these. Oh boy. Yay. I'm looking forward to these. Right, F4. Right, so that goes, but then it covers all this. Oh well. I guess it has to happen, doesn't it? Oh great, more fins. Right, F4. Go. Why couldn't it all just be F4, man? Why does it have to be so complicated? And why it does not want to fit in is beyond me. Oh, because I had the wrong orientation. Oh dear. This is actually pretty enjoyable. It's not like most kits were. I was saying that a piece flew out. Give me a sec. Why will you not fit in? You're deliberately being stupid today. You're being moronic or something. There we go. That piece right there. Let's push that in. There we go. You don't have to resort to hammering it in, because then I will bugger the rest of the kit. 4. This piece seems to very, very loose. These pieces don't seem to fit in very well at all. And as soon as I try and prove them wrong, they do. They're not easy to put in, but they will fit in once you get them in. They're a bit of a pain in the bum. Right. There's supposed to be 2 F3s, but there's only 1 F3 on per sprue. That means we're using a 4. This is going to be incredibly awkward. I think that's something where this kit messes up with, I'm not sure. Get in there, you little so-and-so. See? These. Mix that. Oh, that's better. These pieces are very fiddly. Very fiddly. And as soon as I put one in, the others all fly off. I might just end up gluing these in. Because I mean, they cover up the detail anyway. I don't want to glue them in. Oh well. Oh, I'm a moron. There's only supposed to be 2. Oh, that's not the model kit's fault. That's my fault for not reading the instructions properly. Yay, I'm a croissant moron. Sorry, like I said, I'm getting too excited here for the finished result, and I'm just being a fool. Missing things out. Like a numpty. That's the Scottish insult, by the way. I don't know why, but it just is. So that's probably my only real gripe with this kit, is watch out for these pieces. You knock it too hard, they're gonna go flying. As soon as I try and prove that, they don't. Just push them in with your thumb. Put your hand behind it, put your thumb on top, and press. So they go in. Just to make sure. This is good though. This is a nice kit. It is taking its time, but it's proven well. Right, so now we have the top. We have all them on. Just watch it. They don't fit super perfectly, but they fit pretty good. Although in person you can start to see some problems. We're back to these again. Hold on. Again, it's these pieces right here. I just had to cut and do that because I don't think you'd want to see me put those on. It does take a bit of time and it is a bit boring. Well, it's alright actually. It's not boring, but it'd be boring for you guys sat here. So we need the F fins. Where are they? Right, I've used the ones on there. I'm going to use the ones here on this piece. But these aren't all the same with these fins. There are F and 9. 8 and 9. 8 fit on this side, 9 fit on that side. You can sort of see by the difference in the holes. These are slightly different to fit those holes. Although most of these small pieces are going to be glued in on the final result. Maybe. Depends how well the kit holds up over time. It probably will hold up a long time, but just to be safe, I may end up doing it. Because this kit, I don't know, I don't think you're really supposed to play with it. Well, I'm not putting decals on anytime soon, so, you know, or stickers. It's just going to stay plastic colour for now, so that I can, oh, squeaky noise, so that I can, you know, get to the painting. So we need A. A now. A has a nice big complicated chunk, which is 37, which is this piece. Very nice. That is very easy to break off because we've already broken off other pieces, so that's really good. Don't feel too brittle. Don't break these little bits off. These bits are supposed to be on. It shows them on the instructions. I was just about to, but then I double checked. Always double check if you're doubtful about anything. Always double check, so that goes there. Again, this kit is just beautiful. I can't recommend it enough. You must buy it. If you're a Star Wars fan, you must buy this kit. Like I said, you can get it imported cheaply. All you just pay is P&P, postage and packaging. And that's it. It may cost a little bit more for you people in the United States, but because the United Kingdom is a little bit nearer, it didn't cost that much. Oh, the fun part comes now. Here's the fun part. Applying all our pieces together. And I've missed a few steps again. Fairly minora. And a knock to fin off. Nearly there. Right. These pieces. I will still do those on camera. So we need 14. And 13. Let's keep those like that for now. 1. PS. What does that mean? I'm confused. Right, we'll still keep those parts. We may need them. If I've missed anything, I'll just go back and put it all on. Landing gears. More doodads, the guns. 32 and 33. Well, where did they go? Maybe it'll say in the instructions somewhere. Right, we do have a lot of spare parts, so I'm quite confused. We have the satellite dish, I guess, which is cool. Right, where are those parts? Not use them, have we? Right, no, they are. Right, E2. Okay, E2. We're looking for sprue E. There they are. There you little buggers are. Right, there we go. That was 25, so that is this one. That goes in there. There we go. Just pop that there, like so. These slots in here. Now for the fun part, where we get to attach everything. Right, bottom section. This part right here attaches in like that. This part shall then go here. Then the top section will sandwich on. Nice clicking sounds. I love hearing those clicks. They are very nice to hear. Unfortunately, you can't see the blue as well, but it's still visible. And then the cockpit section with a little bit of flash on it. This is the size, the basic size of the Falcon. It is a very nice size. It's quite light, but it feels alright actually. Right, satellite dish time. We need this piece. Now we need to go to E. E. Where is E? Right, first of all, oh bloody hell, that is ridiculously thin. That's scary. Just twist that around very carefully. This is very scary. This is a very thin piece. Don't want to break this. New satellite dish. Has it broken? Nope. This piece, very thin. Right, so that goes in there and it slots in there. Resulting in that. That's pretty cool. And we need E1. E11. This piece, which has a bit of sprue, you've got to sand it away. That is probably one of the most important ones to sand away. These two don't go together. like that. And then this just pushes in there, and this is adjustable so you can turn it any way you want, which is nice. Now for the gun part. F. We need our Fs. Our Fs. Right, okay. So first of all, oh geez, these guns, they're so thin. The barrels are so thick. We just broke a barrel. That barrel's about to come off also. And it's just fallen off. Right, well, that's going on the bottom. Are you serious? One of these decides to fall off. Come on. These should have really been designed to fit in a bit better than this. I'm not a fan of these parts specifically because I don't want to fit on very well. I'm gluing those in, I've got no choice. So that's going to go right there, I'll just pop that there. And this can turn as well, I think. No, it can't. It's a display model only, it's not a toy. I may have luck with these parts, this one right here. Oh, we got luck. We got luck. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Yay. And that flung. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Hold on. Oh, there it is. It landed on my chair. Just peg that in there. Let's just pull that off and squeeze those two together. Would be nice if this could turn, but oh well. Right. Get this one here. Rip this piece off. This piece will go right on top of there. Kind of covering all the assembly joins, which it does not want to fit. Fit in, you little sod. There we go. That covers all that. This is looking beautiful. This is amazing. Right, now I've learnt my lesson from that gun, and I want to be careful with this gun. And the good news is, the gun isn't broken, but it does need a bit of sprue removal. Verified clippers. I'm doing surprisingly well despite not having scissors. So there we go. It's not broken, thank the Lord. I need 13 off the other one. Come on, don't break, don't break. Yes! Yes, yes, yes. So the top bottom go. They're a bit brittle. I'm going to put a dab of glue on those because that one of them's flexing out like mad and it is about to break off. Don't break, don't break. Be a good boy, stay on. I will fix this with a teeny weeny bit of glue. A little glue goes a long way. Right. That then it is on the top. Right. Oh, I know what these are for. I think these are for ramp pieces. I'm not too sure. And then it shows to build the stand. Right. Just rotate the camera upwards. So this is the basic kit. I'm going to put the landing gear on, but for now I'm going to show what it looks like with the stand. Here's what it looks like. That looks pretty cool, actually. What we are going to do is put the landing gear on just for completeness sake. And I think those stands, I think that's got grooves so you can connect it with others. I'm not too sure. I don't know why that's like that, actually. I'm going to check if I've missed anything overall. Oh, there's more pieces. There's more pieces for the ramps and landing gears and all that. Right, okay. That's what all these other parts are for. Okay, so these parts are for landing gears. I get you now, I get you. But we've missed the odd piece on the inside, the odd flimsy piece, so we are just gonna, I'm gonna cut and put those on, but I'm not gonna do it now. I'm gonna do the landing gear first. F15. And F16. Need 17. And there's a little flat piece right there that goes on like that. So it goes on in a certain direction. Just beware of that. Be very aware of that. This may end up being 3 parts, I'm not sure. Hopefully it won't be. So there we go. So I'm just going to move the camera down so you can see me do landing gear, and I put my thumb all over the camera lens. Brilliant. So here are the landing gears. These are 2 of them. Right, so we've got this one here and this one here. Right, now what we need is these parts. We need A3 and A2. Before we do that, we need A18 and A16. These need to be cut actually, because this one's being stubborn. Actually, I'll put this back on the box because it'll be easier to see. Just kind of elevated down a bit. Just got our landing gear pieces right here. Got more parts. That piece is going to go into there. Is this? Yeah, it's a 16, so that goes there, like that. 18, when that comes off, will go on the other side. Popping these 2 together, and that wiggles a bit for some stupid reason. Then 3 will go on this side because there are little grooves. And A2 goes on there. And this is A. So A goes up there, I believe. No. A is the middle one, direct middle piece. Like that. So now we have our first landing gear. Okay. What's the piece under the booklet called? And it's a lump of sprue, isn't it? It's jammed in the booklet. Yes, it is. This piece right here is a back part for one of the backs. So we need to do more 15s. There's a lot of 15s here. My camera was running low on power. Hopefully it can still keep filming. I don't want to lose my footage of this. So these going like that. These will go there. D, where is D? That is E, which has an empty part, so we'll pop that there. D1 contains 3 and 1. D3 and D1. So these go like that, and like that. And this sandwiches on and holds those in place. Like this. And then we need these ridiculously long parts. Where are those other parts? Right, now what we need is A11 and A8. These are like little side covers. A11. So what these basically do is they mimic it opening up and having the landing gear come out. And that is C. So C goes on this side. And there we go, like that. I'm going to cut here because the landing gear is exactly the same procedure on the rest of them. Okay, so I have applied the landing gear and there is a piece that has not been put on because it is optional for either, where did it go? Either this piece to seal it up, or you can get these, tab them together, and then tab them all into this to create a landing gear piece. Which if I have it in standing position, it's going to fit right up in there, like that. I may have it on the stand like that, as if some pilots are standing there looking out and have Ray and Finn stood there. So I'm going to just do that now, reconfigure the stand. And this does not want to come out easily. Come on. Get out, you stupid little tan piece. There we go. I'm going to keep that off actually because that is too difficult to get off. Peg it in there. And there we go. Have the Falcon like that. It's going to be set to get all the other pieces on that I may have missed. Right, I just wanted to give you a quick showcase of the completed thing. So here it is. Yeah, I'm upstairs now and get some spare parts. Did apply decal. 2 actually, the cockpit ones. I don't think they're going to stay on, so I'm going to paint those on. If they come off, I will just replace them with paint. And that symbol there is a decal for that. So, you know, here are the figures. And that is the finished build for the Millennium Falcon. I hope you enjoyed these 2 videos showing you how to build it all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.